Going on, everybody? Name's Mike, aka Skittle Fabs. Usually I do fender rolling, but you know, my main is Neon SRT-4. Skittle Fabs. You know? What can I say? I love SRT-4. I got a caliber outside. I got Neon SRT-4 here. Big turbo. Only way to be. Doing everything I possibly can when it comes to custom. You know, fully tucked, fully shaved. This is my second time shaving the bay. This time I'm actually doing a full restoration. I've had the car for probably about 6 or 7 years now. I got a full 10-point roll cage in it. I just put that in last year. And shit's been sitting here. I was shaving another Neon's bay and I fucking cut the tip of my finger off. Shit was fucking retarded. Yeah. We're not gonna talk about that shit. We're gonna talk about this bitch. So yeah, I'm basically just finishing up the shave. Just laid my Marglass. Before that, I used what was that shit? Something steel. Where is that fucking? Oh, Quick Steel. I get that shit at like Napa or fucking Caps Auto Parts or whatever. But anyways, I filled that with all my welds. Then I sealed up all the fucking holes, and I laid my Marglass and did my thing. I sanded it. I'm not fully done yet, but I gotta shape it a little bit more. Mind you, that was the first layer. Mind you, see all the little fucking pivots and shit. I gotta fill those shits in and sand more. Hey, who else smokes marijuana? Massachusetts just passed. What's up? Drink to that. Anyways, this is my K-frame. I should say subframe. Just got this bitch sandblasted. Shit looks fucking fresh. I'm not gonna powder coat it, but I am actually gonna paint it with this fucking auto body shit that I was introduced to a long time ago. It's made by Sem. It's an undercoating. Let's see. Rust shield, rust corrosion control coating. No primer needed. Spray, brush, or roll directly over rust. Great for chassis, frames, and general restoration. So, Sem product is 28101 and it's black. So yeah, let me know. You guys need any information, just fucking leave a comment, subscribe. Just, yeah, pretty open. I'll tell you everything you need to know how to tuck and shave. Peace.